Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable title bar Windows Shake. It is a very great option which will let you to close Windows really quickly. So if you want to enable this option, you need to click right mouse button icon with Windows, and after that you need to go to settings. Then from the left panel you need to open system settings, and here we need to scroll down and open here multitasking, snap Windows desktops, task switching settings. So I click on the arrow, and here we have title bar window shake option. On default it is turned off. So if you will use this option, when you grab a window titles bar and shake it, it will let you to minimize all other windows. So if you want to turn it on, you need to click on this switcher, and then this option will be enabled. So now let's check how it works. For example, I have here 3 windows opened here. If you want to close other windows, you need to press and hold left mouse button on this window, and you need to shake it. After that, other windows will be closed. So in this way you can use this function. Of course, if you want to turn it off, you need to click on this one switcher one more time. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.